Wow, level ones, another amazing video today again. Do you know what I'm going to show you today on this YouTube channel? YouTube secret has been exposed. Bam! The secret of going on YouTube has been exposed. If this is the first time of seeing this video, consider subscribing, like, share this video, because I'm going to teach you, I'm going to expose their nyash. Like according to my Nigerians, they say their nyash, nice, their ass. You understand? Do you know the secret here on YouTube? What you need to learn? Number one secret you need to know here is consistency. Keep on posting video every day. I keep on repeating this. Consistency is the way on YouTube. That is the number one exposed secret. It's exposed. Consistency is very important on YouTube. Just wake up, post something on YouTube. You don't just keep quiet. Do you understand? Don't just keep quiet. Keep on posting video on YouTube. It's going to help you. It's going to help a lot of people. It has really helped a lot of people. Consistency can make you grow on YouTube from 1 subscriber to like 500k subscriber. I have seen a lot of videos like that. And not just that, me myself, I'm an expansion, because if you watch my video, I have a lot of videos that will help you. I have over 400 videos on YouTube. And it's all about consistency. Set your goal. How many videos do you want to post every day? Even if you're not having view, keep on posting. It's going to help you. It's a very good thing. Another second thing here, another exposed secret here is you need an amazing thumbnail. And the people that are going to help you getting this amazing thumbnail is Canva. Try and get Canva. Pay for their pro version. It's going to help you. Before me that I'm talking to you, I don't know how to do thumbnail, but look at my amazing thumbnail. A catchy thumbnail. You understand? Do a lot of thumbnail. It's gonna help you grow on YouTube. But when you are not having an amazing thumbnail, bro, your name is sorry, you're not gonna get it right. Do you get me? Get an amazing thumbnail. Learn how to do thumbnail. In fact, before making any video, try and learn how to do thumbnail. Thumbnail is the way, the secret on YouTube that is gonna help you grow your channel. But when you're not having a catchy thumbnail, do you know how many millions of competitors do you have? But when your thumbnail is not catchy enough, it's not amazing, you're not gonna get this view. People are not gonna click, and YouTube will not give you what you want. That is number two. Now the number third exposed secret is you need a coach. You understand? Which is Canva. You need Canva. There's Canva, there's VidIQ, and also you can use Google Trend. That will give you like a nice title. That will give you the trending topic you're gonna work on. But when you don't have all this, this is not funny. When you don't have it, it's not gonna be okay for you. Do you get me? If this is your first time of seeing this video, please consider hitting the subscription button. I have more than a lot to give you on your YouTube channel. Go and check. When it comes to branding of your channel, is another thing you to look at. Your channel, does it look like a professional channel? How does this channel look like? You understand? They consider that, and go and check your channel description. Like, is it there? Is it on? You understand? Your description, is it an amazing description, so that YouTube will know what you are posting? But in a situation whereby you don't know, like the description is not okay, the thumbnail, if you look at the banner, they are not okay, bro. You need to wake up and learn how to make it look amazing. You understand? You can do this. A lot of people have done this, which I know you too can do better than them. I expected you to do more than this. If you know your channel is not doing well, don't just keep quiet and be sleeping. Follow my channel. I will teach you a lot. Anything you don't understand, comment under this video. I will reply you ASAP. You understand? I'm a Nigerian and I'm from Africa. In fact, West Africa for that reason. Do you understand? I want you to wake up with YouTube in your mind. You understand? These are the exposed secrets. The exposed secret is you need thumbnail. That is number one. An amazing thumbnail for that matter. Number two, you need to have Canva that will give you the best thumbnail. And number three, you need VidIQ to grow. VidIQ is very important. They're going to coach you. Yes. And how to title your video. VidIQ will finish that work for you. They will tell you what to do. And these are the amazing one that you need to work on. When you're not working on them, your name is sorry. You understand? It's just like you're working for nothing sick. Do you get me? Once again, my name is Hamza. I make video around how you grow on YouTube. And if you think this video is okay and is an amazing, you've learned 1 or 2 things from me, consider hitting the subscription button and follow this video. Subscribe. Follow this video. I have more videos so that whenever I drop this video for you, you understand, YouTube will recommend it and they will show it. sister, subscribe, brother, subscribe, brother. Let's go. We can do it. Only you cannot go alone on YouTube. You need other people to go. Just like a journey of life. You alone cannot survive. Thank you. I'll see you in my more videos.